What's up, welcome back to the channel. We have our August kit of the month from Salvinos JR Models. It is late, but I think one of the guys from the JR Models family member has passed away, so that's why it's late for August. But not a big deal, because this one is actually pretty cool. And once we crack and open the box, it's gonna be, you're gonna notice it. So let's go ahead and open it the right way and debut the Monty Robbins 1971 Dodge Charger. And you might notice kit are a Builders Club exclusive, and we'll talk about that more here in a sec. Let's go ahead and pull out our goodies, and that's a pretty neat sticker right there. Look at that. That's actually, I actually like that sticker. That's pretty neat. That's really cool. So we got that, and then we got some free decals. Let's see what we got. Of course, being in Builders Club, you do get free decals. Usually you get 2 sets of decals. So this first one, what's this for? This is for Ryan Blaney, looks like. So that's number 12, and as I can tell, there we go. Yes. Oh, check this out. This is Ryan Blaney's, I believe this is the 2022 or 2023, his Daytona or Coca-Cola 600 winning car. I don't have this decal sheet. Yeah, this is that 2023. You can see the 75 year anniversary sticker. That's so cool. This is Ryan Blaney's 2023 Coca-Cola 600 winning car. It's basically all camouflage, as you can tell. This is insane. Oh, this is really cool. And obviously, this is the second decal sheet that goes on with that. So that's really cool. I got that decal sheet, and looks like we got another Richard Petty. 1971 or 1976 Dodge, I'm assuming, for D. I'm not sure, but we'll find it and we'll be on your screen. But we got another Richard Petty. I got quite a few Richard Petty decals now, so I probably should do a Richard Petty NASCAR one these days. But really cool. So being in Builders Club, obviously you do get 1 or 2 decal sheets for free, and these decal sheets, you know, it depends how much they cost. They're usually about 10 to 12 bucks each, which is really cool. And that's really cool. I got this decal sheet. I might have to do that. So back to the kit, and yeah, Monty Robbins Dodge Charger, 1971 Dodge Charger. And you may notice, like I said, Builders Club exclusive. This is only for Builders Club or Builders Club members. So if you're in the JR Models Builders Club, like the kit, like I am now, with you get a kit per month. Yeah, you get a Builders Club exclusive. They usually do 2 a year, and they have another one coming out and towards the end of the year. Obviously, we got the kits, and we got another Kyle Busch car coming out. That's actually a pretty cool paint scheme. This is the Chase Elliott Atlanta car. I might have to get that one. That's a really cool paint scheme. Obviously, we got Joey Logano's 24 champion car. Let's go ahead and crack this open. Now, I'm going to explain to you, I would put pictures of the real car on your screen, but since NASCAR is very picky, NASCAR likes to do lots of copyright pictures. So I can't really do too many pictures of the real car, because YouTube copyright strikes me, because NASCAR does not like doing that, because NASCAR is all copyright stuff. So, but you can look up this car and you can find some pictures of it. So obviously we got our clear parts. Now this kit, like I mentioned before, the whole Dodge Charger 1970s Dodge Charger kits is designed from JR Models. This was not a Revell monogram kit, and this one is molded in purple. And as you can tell by the art box, yes. So well, it's kind of like I don't know, more like a deeper purple on the real car. I'm not sure. We're gonna paint it anyway. But we got our big mile-long hood, rear bumper. That's really awesome. I'm assuming we have treaded tires, which we do, because NASCAR didn't go full on slicks until a little bit later in the year, or later you know, in the 70s. But yeah, so we got our tires, and here is our Charger body. That's actually a pretty cool purple. I've never seen a purple molded kit before. This is actually unique. So pretty neat. I'm sure most of us seen this before, but there's the body, and then we have our, oh wait a minute. We do have, oh, we have a grill. So I think that's the only thing that is chrome on this car is just the grill. So they went ahead and included the chrome plated grill. That's cool, and I don't think this is, you know, this is not the real metal chrome, because I believe California banned them doing that for some reason. So now this is just an anodized, you know, dye chrome. I reckon this still looks good. It actually still does look pretty good. So it doesn't look toyish. So we got rest of our parts in molded purple. You are going to do some painting, obviously your engine blocks in there and stuff, and I'm not sure what color the interior is. Maybe the interior is still purple, I'm not sure, don't quote me on that. Then we do have our aluminum goodies, so that's cool. Then we got more purple parts. This is where the wheels will come in. Then that's where, you know, you have your extra grill, but since they molded this one in chrome, we don't have to use that one unless you want to paint this one chrome. It's up to you, but that's pretty neat. So I'm really curious what the decal sheet looks like on this thing, if I can get the thing out of here. Okay. So triple coat instructions. Really nice instruction paper. I love their instruction paper. It's really high quality. So that's that. And then we do have our decal placement and final assembly. But there's our decal placement. That's cool. And then the decals, I'm actually really curious. And holy crap. Wow, you can really see these like a mile away. I'm not even joking. This is that neon yellow. Wow, that's incredible. This yellow, I mean, it looks good for you on camera, but in person, this is seriously like in your face. This is, you can really see this for a mile away. So you do have your like quarter panel, and then it goes to your roof and stuff. This must go to your side panel or side panels. And then you do have your spoiler or the rear front diffuser. I'm not sure what that's for. And I believe these are for your wheels, because your wheels are purple, I believe, on the car, and you do have the yellow inside the wheel. So I'm kind of curious on how that's going to work. But this is really nice. And you do have your Goodyear decals in white. Then you do have your gauge cluster, some warning stickers, and then your little sponsors and stuff here and there. This is really cool. This is a neat decal sheet. Now, like I said, you are not going to be able to get this decal sheet. If you go to Mike's Decals won't have it. This is, like I said, this is only a club exclusive kit. So the decals are off limits for the public. And like I said, this kit, I believe this kit's fully sold out. Last I checked the builders or the website before I did this video, this kit's full out of stock. So if you want to join the Builders Club, you cannot get this kit because they are out of stock, unless I'm sure some people probably will be sold on eBay for a crazy amount of price. That is already in the Builders Club, because I know quite a few Builders Club people purchase more than one. I only got one because I'm not gonna need two. But like I said, I'm pretty sure. Look on eBay if you want this. If you are looking for this kit, you are gonna have to pay probably like $80 plus, because you know people like to do that, because it is only exclusive. I think they only made just enough for the Builders Club, which is, I believe there's like 4, maybe 500 in the Builders Club, and then they made a few extra ones. So, but like I said, it's out of stock. So that's unfortunate. So, but. Yeah, like I said, you do get Builders Club exclusive kits twice a year, sticker, and free decal sheet. Hey guys, this is an awesome deal, and this is too cool. So I'm definitely gonna build this one. This is a really neat paint scheme, and this is just so ironic. I mean, purple car, purple wheels, and a neon yellow paint scheme. Neon yellow, you know, two-tone. This is cool. This is a really cool exclusive. Now, like I said, it is late, but JR Models is doing some family have to deal with some family things going on over there, but they're trying to get back on track. And like I said, this is just too cool. If you want to know what's in these charger kits from JR Models, I believe I did an unboxing video on one of them, but they are really nice kits. Like I said, they are fully designed by Jim from JR Models, so look at cool, and they are amazing kits with nice detail chassis and stuff. Look at awesome. But other than that, guys, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed, and like I said, this kit's fully out of stock. So like I said, if you are looking for one, make sure you check on eBay and see if you can get one for not bad deal, but definitely going to pay more than the kit's actually worth. Other than that, guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll catch you guys next time.